Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, July 2nd, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, I apologize for going back to this old style of video. I have had an absolutely miserable day. I had a miserable day in the markets, but on top of it all, a crazy thing happened to me. I had one of my two front teeth, the big ones right in front, a crown break off, and as a result that made me very unphotogenic for today. And I tried to do my video the other way, and I made two attempts, and both times, but I put the crown back in, just stuck it back in there, thinking it would hold in there. And then on two attempts of doing the video before, I had the crown fall out in the middle of the video. I'm sure that some of you would have gotten a big laugh out of that, but I chose not to publish that. On top of it all, to make things worse, I call my dentist and find out the guy has taken a 1-week vacation over the holidays here, and so I can't even get in to see the guy until next Thursday. So until at least next Thursday, I'm toothless, and I'm not going on camera looking like a homeless person, even though that's the way the market's been treating me. Yeah, it was bad today, really bad. We had a bunch of losing positions yesterday coming into today. 9 positions, 8 were losers coming in. By the time we got out, we didn't improve much. We got 9 for 9, all losers by the time we got out, and we dropped over $11,000. And then my tooth falls out. That's a great day, isn't it? That's a great way to start the holiday weekend. Anyway, yeah, it was pretty bad, and I'll show you the charts in just a second. We did get into 2 new positions today. Both of them are positive, and we are holding positive over $2,000 in open trade equity. Hey, I called the Dow up yesterday, and at first it looks like I was right. It took off. I thought it was going to go, but then it fails up here and comes back, fails, and comes back up a little at the end, but still the Dow ended up closing down 27 points. It was very much a day before the holiday market. Not too much going on. Slow, not volatile, and pretty boring, quite honestly. So Trader Bob is not happy. I'll show you what we got here. I'll show you what this is. First of all, what's been driving us crazy lately, and this just typifies that this is a new stock, Esperion Therapeutics, and we had gotten in 2 days ago. We'd gotten into Esperion over here, and we got out here, and we took actually $1,700 positive out of that, so that was pretty decent. But then we get re-entered in it. This is yesterday. We get re-entered on it, and then it fails. It fails pretty miserably, and by the time we get out of here, we're getting close to a $3,000 loss, and that's just it's just making me tear my hair out. These markets, they're so tough lately. I'll show you a good okay, and we did get into a couple good trades. Okay, after losing $11,000, we ought to get into some good trades. This is Sibanye Gold, okay, and we got into this big pop-up. A little problem getting into this. It was really moving here, but it settles back against us. I thought it was going to, sell off. It did not, and it moved up pretty strong at the end. And we are holding just over $1,000 in Sibanye Gold. So that looks pretty good. And then we had Tesla Motors. Yeah, and we picked up a little one over here a couple days ago. We got in, and then today we got in again, and look, this was really a nice entry. Notice how big this gap up was. We hold off for 30 minutes, got in there very nicely, and then it starts moving up after we got in. So that for change, that trade appeared to be going pretty good. We are holding just over $1,000 in Tesla Motors. So, hey, it was a rough day. It's a rough day for Trader Bob. I'm so happy we're having a 3-day weekend. No, the markets are closed tomorrow, thank God. I don't want to hear about markets. I don't want to talk about markets. If you're a customer, hey, don't call me this weekend. Just leave me alone. I'm going to be back online on Monday, and I sure hope these things turn around and start performing better. This is Trader Bob signing off. You guys have a great weekend. We'll see you on Monday.